No matter what kind of multiplier, believe.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Till my session's end, I told you guys, my session's gonna be 2 full hours, so you're always welcome to check out when I started and where I'm gonna go. And this time, let's create them. Come on, everybody. Let's see what the crazy land has for us. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Crazy Land. Are you ready? Come on now. Alright, it's time for you to choose your flapper, green, blue, yellow. Which one are you choosing? Hope you're ready. Last seconds. And max multiplier right now is 200x. Let's go. And go.
This is the amount of money issued 74,730 euros.
Honey, 215 and 50x. Congratulations. Honey, 1,881 of you have won in this one. Congratulations. Let's go into the next one, shall we? D-Rex, our shifts are longer than the house in the main CT. Well, darling, that's the thing. It really depends on how many people we have. But right now, a lot of people are...
The number one, there's the number one with the 3x. We got the triple payout. With that, of course, let's open again. Don't forget those best. Let's see what we have this time. Sing around as Rude Boy Dante. Honestly, I might have heard that song, but I don't remember songs based on their names. Like, if I remember a song based on their names, right? Then that means that song is quite special to me, though, so that I bought it to remember it. Come on, you knew that. I told you that before. Don't act like it's the first time. By the way, crazy time with 2x. Do we have it? Yes! We get the double crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, that's what I like to see. So good. Alright then, time to go again. That's round 2. Let's go. And hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Good to see you back for another round of crazy time. Oh yes indeed, we're back, and this time it's gonna be a double. Yes, a double. So now, of course, we multiply everything by 2x, but yeah, it's gonna be a double payout. That's what I like to see. Right at the end of a session as well. Lovely stuff. So now with that, ladies and gentlemen, as always, pick a flapper. Green, blue, yellow, pick whichever you like, whichever you think is going to give you the highest multiplier, of course. And we'll see if you hit it right. This one 400x potentially? Yeah, but I mean, there are some doubles and all available now. Max multiplier is 200x. Let's roll.
This is the amount of money issued 68,138 euros.
And would you look at that? That is going to be a 200x for the green, 30x for the...
Right? I mean, 25x, not too shabby. 1,059 winners. Let's keep going with the game. Enjoy, guys. Good luck. Bleep, tell me, what did you get? Bleep is gonna be like, not bad, 5x. No matter what kind of multiplier Bleep gets from the bonus round, he's always fine with it. Oh boys, I cannot believe my eyes. Not too shabby. What can I say? That is pretty damn good. Coinerino, flipperino, venturino, exerino. In English, it would be coin flip with a 20x. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Blue side, red side. Let's put it on the blue. Oh, initial multipliers, you better be good. 60x in a red, 200x on a blue. If it's gonna be a blue, I'm gonna kiss this machine, honestly.
This is the amount of money issued 111,360 euros.
Ladies and gentlemen, 200x multiplier. Yes! Yes, sir! Let's keep going, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna be the top winner. Well done to you. That was
Just be so kind, connect to live support. And while you do that, oh boy, crazy time with a 4x multi. This is going to be a fun bonus round. Come on. Dear players, welcome back. The one and only Crazy Time bonus round, though this time, before we start, we're gonna make every multiplier 4 times bigger, every single one of them. And now, the moment has come for you to pick the color, green, blue, or the yellow one. That's all up to you. So most of you chose the blue flapper. Max multi right now, 400. Unless you get a double, wish you the best.
This is the amount of money issued 776,331 euros.
Oh wow! So 200 for the green and blue, and 60 for the yellow one. Awesome! Ladies and gentlemen, my welcome you back. Congratulations. We get 9,380 winners. For the 13.7 thousand. Stunning. You're the top winner. Such a cool catch. Congrats. Hey, totally enjoy. I'm happy that you got it. All of you. Good luck. All of you.
So what it do, what it be? We got a Pacifico. What's up? It's your boy. Guys, we got it. Chill out, man. I told you I missed the bonus. I got this. Settle down, everybody. Settle down. Daddy's home. Starting off with a 5, 7, 10, 20. Oh, 40. Come on. 100. 200. Double. 2 of them. We got that 5X. Bam. Look at this. Woo. What am I looking at? We got a 1000X. We got some doubles. We got a, what is that? 25. Whew. Come on, man. Do daddy proud. Let's go. Good luck. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, please. 1,000, please. 1,000. 1,000X. 1,000. Come on. Give me the 1,000. Give me the 5.
This is the amount of money issued 3,823,861 euros.
Boom! High five in the face. In outer space. 11,000 winners. C3PO with a 230. Bingo plus 196. Swiss cheese 86,000. Woo! We pump it up, baby. We the legend.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.